So firstly, open the project where you want to blur a background. So as you can see right over here, I have an Instagram post, but the text and the background is not matching at all. And I want the background to be blurred. So all you have to do is simply choose the background, then go to the edit photo option. And then right over here, you will have the option of blur. Click on it. And then over here, you will have two options. If you want to blur a particular part in that particular photo, just simply choose the brush tool over here and blur a certain part. As you can see right over here, it will just simply blur a certain part. But if you want to blur the whole image, click on this whole image option and then just simply increase the intensity over here. So about 20%. Now as you can see, the entire image is blurred. Now if you go back, so as you can see right now, after the blur, it will look something like this. So that's how you blur backgrounds. So that's how you blur a background in Canva. So that's how you blur a background in Canva. So if you would like to get a subscription for Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.